Go.
Dude, what's...
Up. Ano ko, elevator? Up, down, up, down. Mahirap maging up pag marami kang work. Siksikan sa MRT. Lagi akong nakapkapan ng security guard, kaya hindi naman hindi. Higit sa lahat, lagi nagsiselos ang girlfriend ko sa ex ko, kaya bagong break ko lang.
Pare, lighten up!
Enjoy the refreshing fizz of soda with a hint of real tea.
This is our commercial sparkling juice.